Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Kanban, or rather your ClickUp account, and then from here you will be able to see this dashboard. To access your ClickUp account, just type in ClickUp on your browser, then it should appear on the first few results. Just click on their website and you should be able to log into your account or sign up for a free account that doesn't require any credit cards. Just follow the prompts into signing up so that ClickUp can set up your account. It's going to ask prompts such as what your purpose is. So this can be for business, schooling, or personal use. And there are also a bunch of specifications that you can select upon signing up, which will help ClickUp tailor your experience for you. All right, so again, you can freely use ClickUp without any payment. But if you want to access more features, then you can opt to select one of their paid subscriptions. So click on upgrade right here, and you should be able to see their paid plan offers, as well as the inclusions in each paid plan. So feel free to check this out. They have the yearly option and the monthly option as well. All right, so here we're going to be showing you how to use Kanban in your ClickUp. So from your dashboard, you're going to see a bunch of icons right on the left side of the screen. Just look for spaces right here. All right, so we're going to be selecting the specific workspace that you're going to use for Kanban board view. So for example, we have team space right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. And then from the plus view, you're just going to click on plus view and then select board or Kanban, which will bring us right here. So as you can see, we already have 3 boards, but basically that's how you add a Kanban board view into the workspace that you've selected. So you can also rename this if you want. Something like that. And just hit enter and then the name will be saved. You also have a bunch of options here like copy link to view, add to favorites, custom view, etc. And there are also some templates if you want to check that out. On the right side of the screen, you can also edit the visibility settings. So you have fields, filter, group, sort, subtasks, and there are also some layout options right here that you can tinker with. So now feel free to edit this according to your preference. All right, so let's have a view on what goes on in this Kanban board. So you have the basic categorization. You have to do, in progress, and complete. There are also group options in each of the columns. As you can see, you can collapse them, you can archive all of them, you can also automate the status and select all. All right, so for that, you can actually drag and drop each task. So for example, if you have one on to do and let's say it's already in progress, then you can transfer it in progress or you can transfer it in complete. In the same manner, you can also automate these tasks. So if you click on automate status, then you have this small window that'll be opened and you can actually add automations. For example, let's say task 1 is currently in the to-do column. Then you can have it automatically transferred to in progress once it reaches, let's say, 25% done. Then it'll automatically transfer to the in progress column. So you can do a bunch of automation such as that. So feel free to get creative with this automation rule. All right, so if you also want to add a new task, just click on the plus icon on the specific column that you want to add the task to. And then you'll have this small window or small box wherein you just input the details you need for that task. Then you should be able to add it to that specific column. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.